user-defined function with return value. So last time we discussed a user-defined function, a simple program. Then the second one is a user-defined function with parameter list. Okay, now today we will create a user-defined function which has a return value. Okay, so to start with, we will create our prototype. Okay, so for example, the return type is integer. So we will create our function name. Then we have variables or data type, I'm sorry. Then we have here a function. We will create now the function. Okay, we will create now the function. So int add numbers. Okay, sample int x, int y. Okay, then next return x plus y. Okay, then next we will declare our variable. For variables, we have here the num1, num2, then sum is equal to 0. Okay, then our UI, cout, enter first number. Okay, so we have cin num1, another one cout, enter second number. Okay, next we have here the cin num2. Okay, next we have here the sum is equal now to, we will call the function. So what is our function name? So add numbers. So we have parameter list. Okay, so we will pass our num1, then our num2, then cout, the value is sum. Okay, so take note that if we will call our add numbers, take note that if we will call our function name, okay, we will pass now the value of num1 and num2 in our x and y. So this is our function. Then x and y, so we will get the sum and it will return back to our caller, which is sum is equal to add numbers. So whatever be the value in our computation, so is equal now to sum, then the value is sum. Okay, so let's try, compile and run. Okay, we have one error. So cout count, now let's count. Okay, execute, compile. Okay, so for example, our first number is 5, 3. Okay, the value is 8. So another one, execute, compile and run. 9 and 7, or 9 and 7. So the value is 16. So that's it. So a program with a function, a user-defined function with return value. Okay.